What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, this little 110, I picked her up a couple days ago. Traded it for the CR125 because I think I blew it up or something like that. But pretty much, it's a 2018 mint condition. This thing could not get any cleaner. It's a little dirty right now, but like, this thing is clean. I'll tell you that right now. It's got like 5 hours on it. Never been ridden like hard or nothing. Starts right up. And yeah, we're going to trade this thing in for a 2020 today. So that's the plan at least. I'm gonna drive about like 2 hours. Go get that 2020. And yeah, here's a build you guys probably have seen. Not sure. 2014 YZ250F. Picked her up a couple days ago for dirt cheap. This thing is fun. Not bad for a little 110, if I say so myself. We don't need this today. Got her loaded up. Let's get out of here. Today we're going to be ripping a 2019 CRF110 and a 2020 CRF110. This should be fun. We're out in the middle of nowhere. So yeah, that's all I'm going to leave you guys at. End of the video. We got a bent shift shaft. That's pretty gnarly. All right. Thanks. Alrighty guys, so Jacob already left. We still got this bike. Just added this little carbon fiber gas tank cover. Looks pretty cool. Here's a couple other builds that we got in here. Here's the KX85 that was completely burnt. She is finished. Oh, I put a new rear brake caliper guard. I still got these right here to throw on real quick. I just have to take off the brake line and I don't feel like doing that just yet. But for this bike, as you can tell, we did bend the shift shaft on Jacob's bike. So before I bend the shift shaft on mine, I hit up this guy right here, Tim McPeak, cool guy. I got a skid plate right here, which I'm not gonna put on just yet. I'm gonna save that for the actual build on this bike. But I also got a skid or shift shaft brace. So what we're gonna do right now is throw this brace on real quick so we don't bend any more shift shafts, and we should be good to go. Alrighty guys, so in order to have the shift shaft brace to fit, you do have to cut a little groove into your chain guard, sprocket guard, whatever you call it. But other than that, that's all you really have to do in order to get this thing to just screw right in, which isn't a whole lot of fab work at all. If you do want to get this, if you're looking to get your skid plate to fit on, you have to tap this one hole in your engine. It's not a big deal, but I don't have it yet, so that's why I'm not putting the skid plate on today. And let's get this in. And boom, it's finished. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching this video. If you guys want to see more, comment down below. Tell us to do more pit bike builds and we'll do them for you guys. And yeah, thanks for watching and peace.